Here in the Anchorage School District, we cover more than 17,000 square miles, and nearly 25% of our population enters our schools. Providing safe and secure schools is not only a top priority, it's our responsibility.
The door's open, come on in.
And that's what Proposition 1 is all about. Here's Carrie with more.
Hi, I'm Carrie Shivers with Maintenance, and welcome to Lakewood Elementary School. This is one of our schools that's on this April's 2024 bond to receive a secure vestibule upgrade. What exactly does that mean? That means that we are going to be putting in a video intercom here at our front office that allows our front office staff to interact with visitors prior to them entering our building. Once they are allowed entry into our building, they have a clear line of sight of that visitor, and they will then be directed directly into the office instead of now where they can go directly into the school than to the office. By directing visitors into the office, this enhances our security efforts and is something that we are trying to do across our district. We have done this in several of our elementary schools and plan to have all of them complete by the year 2027.
Proposition 1 is part of a multi-year plan to improve the security and safety posture at our schools. If approved by voters, just like Lake Hood, you'll see the same things happen at Cassoon and Clatt elementary schools. These security upgrades will keep our students and staff safer by keeping unauthorized people out. You've seen the snow this year, and you know all about the snow load concerns. Our roofs and structural supports are in need of critical replacements, repairs, and seismic upgrades. We have 3 schools in top need this year, starting with Central Middle School, and that's where we'll find Andrew.
My name is Andrew Wallace. I'm here with maintenance at Central Middle School. We're here to talk about the roof replacement. The roof's at its end of its life. It's at a point where the cost to maintain it is getting too high, and we're stretching out, and it's getting too expensive to replace, and it's starting to affect the inside of the building. When we do the roof replacement, we'll be able to, at that time, put seismic structure in the building and making this building very robust, and we'll have a chance to make this building last for 30 years longer.
The other 2 schools in top need are Alpenglow Elementary School and Chugiak High School. Now over at Inlet View Elementary School, that campus will undergo a complete replacement, offering a modern, efficient, and safer learning environment for our students and staff. Here's Jim with more.
Hi, I'm Jim Anderson. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Anchorage School District. So there are several people around town that ask, why would you rebuild Inlet View Elementary School while you're also talking about potentially closing additional schools, consolidating and repurposing? Well, it's for a very good reason. Any large organization, as you look at right-sizing, there will be some old infrastructure that gets closed and torn down. There will be some other schools that get refurbished and renewed. And then at the same time, as part of a multi-year strategy, some schools will be rebuilt so they're going to have very little maintenance, great energy efficiency, and a great educational environment for children for years to come.
These improvements are not just about buildings. They are about investing in our next generation, creating a superlative classroom environment, and making the best use of our taxpayer dollars. ASD's mission is educating all students for success in life. And with Proposition 1, we're building a brighter and safer tomorrow, one school at a time.